The criminal justice system of India is structured in such a way that it does not really care about you as an accused person getting a conviction or an acquittal. Because at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, as an accused person, the criminal justice system, the judges, the lawyers, the police, everybody involved only cares about one thing, which is whether you get granted bail or not. Recent news all over the country about arrests over various reasons, politically motivated quite a few times, shows us exactly how preposterous situations also people are arrested. And of course, the courts then swoop down in these politically covered, these widely covered, politically motivated events and lament the misuse of the policing system to arrest people and curtailment of their liberties and whatnot. But at the end of the day, we have thousands upon thousands of arrests every single day, which are not covered by the media, which nobody really cares about, except to the extent, again, whether this person gets bail or not. Sadly, this is how it has been for the past several decades, and there is no possibility of improvement despite the courts of law from time to time, very, very strongly, through very strongly worded judgments, re-emphasize the fundamental rights of a citizen of India to liberty, especially before his guilt is proved in a court of law. The main reason why the system does not care about convictions and acquittals and only cares about bail is, one, because of the shoddy policing system and because of the criminal jurisprudence principles of proof beyond reasonable doubt required to sustain a conviction. Majority of these times in this country, statistically, if you see, there will be many more acquittals than conviction. Even if the trial court convicts you, if you have good lawyers, they will make a very good, strong defense. They will perhaps, figure out loopholes, dig where there is nothing to be found, and still come up with something to ensure that you are acquitted, if not at the trial stage, at least at the appellate stage. And that is why the system knows that there is a very good chance, even if you're clearly guilty with a lot of proof, that you will go scot-free. That is why they care more about bail. They know that even if you are innocent, they can ensure that you stay in jail just because of the allegations against you. Sometimes there can be more allegations than what the truth is. Sometimes there can be less allegations than what the truth is. The investigation powers are, of course, vested with a lot of autonomy with the police. That also adds a lot of fuel to this problem. But at the end of the day, as an accused person or as a complainant, you should know that convictions and acquittals hardly matter at the end of the day. Again, what I re-emphasize is what matters is whether you are granted bail or not. If you're an accused person, you will care more for the fact that you never have to go to jail, you are granted pre-arrest bail, or even if you're taken into custody, that you are given bail as soon as possible. If you're a complainant, your effort will be that the person goes to jail to suffer for the person's actions, the accused person's actions, and also to a great extent as a pressure tactic to get the person to concede to whatever demands you have.